Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to get unlimited cookies in Cookie Clicker. Simple tutorial, shouldn't take more than a minute. So first thing first, I'm going to wipe my save. But the first step is just pressing Control-Shift-I. This will open up the inspect menu. You'll probably start off on Elements. You just need to come over here to Console. And all you need to type is game with a capital G dot earn with a capital E, and then parentheses, and then the amount of cookies that you want. It could be one, it could be a ton. It's really up to you how many you want. So just do that many. And then you always have to put a semicolon at the end. And then once you do that, you press enter. And then that's how many cookies you get. And it's real cookies. You can do whatever you want with it. That's it. That's all there is to it. Have a nice day. Goodbye. If you enjoyed today's video, it would really help out the channel if you would subscribe. So please do that.